Hello everyone, welcome to My Style. So today we are going to see how to make simple greeting card. Watch this full video format, it will works. I have shown how to make this design before so you can see it in the description box. To see how to make this, watch the video in the description.
Inside of me, in this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?